$222,000 in just 13 minutes. That's how much Tim lost to an international scammer.
Forex market.
Forex market.
Go on.
All three went down at 94.
93 and a half.
The Forex scam came to light.
96 on the dollar.
91.
Muslims have no business dealing with the current state of the Forex market. So the Forex market is almost the most organized scam that you will encounter in your investment journey. The reasons are odds are stacked against you, number one. Number two, there are tremendous amount of conflict of interest that you are unaware of. And thirdly, and the most important, is that brokers will entice you with leverage. And leverage means debt. Debt means riba. So you have no business flirting with and trying to evolve and grow and take part in the current state of the Forex market, especially as marketed by the financial brokers. So number one, odds are stacked against you. Forex market is not meant for retail traders to earn a living day trading. Absolutely not. The Forex market is meant for large corporations, states, central banks, big companies to hedge their exposure or anticipate what the economy of a country is going to do versus the economy of another country. Okay? So those are very macro, very trade, very high level, medium term, 6 months, 1 year type of position. The Forex market is not the secret recipe for you to gain your financial independence at all. You will get crushed. All right. Number two, the conflict of interests is staggering. It is critical. It is devastating. The reason is that social media influencers are being remunerated by brokers through agreement, a contract that we call introductory broker agreement. This agreement basically will say that for each of the sign up or deposit at a broker, the social media influencer will earn a commission. Sometimes it's 10% of the amount deposited. Sometimes it's a commission based on the trade that you're making. Sometimes it's 100% of the amount that you will deposit with the broker. So if you deposit $1,000, the broker is going to pay the social media influencer $1,000. You're thinking, how is it even possible? It's possible because the difference between you and the retail broker is that the retail brokers know the statistics and making a living not by taking a commission in executing your orders. No, that's not the way the broker is making a living. The broker is basically making a living by relying on your stupidity and your ignorance. Your ignorance, because if you knew number one, as the first part of the argument, which is the Forex is not the game of retail trader, but large investors and large corporations and even states and central bank, then you wouldn't venture into that. You have no business, no chance to succeed in this game. It's basically like if now you are never going to the gym, you're never running, you're never playing football, and I'm going to put you at the finale of the Champions League with Real Madrid and Barcelona or whatever. You're going to get crushed. You have no business being there. You are going to die within the next few minutes because you're not meant to be there. Sorry. So the Forex broker know that, number one. But number two, not only he knows that you're going to lose money, 90% of the trader lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. He knows that you don't, but he's actually betting against you. So each time you're taking a position, he's going to do the opposite. We're going to describe in another video how exactly he does that. But he's going basically taking the opposite. So you're saying, I want to buy euro versus dollars, euro dollar, okay? The guy's like, no problem. You want to buy euro, I'm going to buy dollar. And betting always against you. Why? Because you know statistically you are making the wrong bet. You're not educated enough. You're not savvy enough. You're not knowledgeable enough to actually know what you're doing. So statistically, and even if you win the first time and he's wrong, but he knows that over time you're going to lose. It's like the casino, you know? The house always win. Astaghfirullah, of course. So he needs to entice people with community, with large followings, social media influencer, to bring traffic, to bring deposit, to bring new clients into its platform. And for the broker, paying the social media influencer even with high amount is still profitable because he knows that, okay, first you're going to lose, okay, right? But then you're going to put more money and you're going to try a second time, a third time, a fourth time. Even the short term, the broker knows that he's going to be benefiting, he's going to be winning, and you're going to be losing.
Babe, how much did we make today?
5 million?
How much did we lose today?
$1 billion.
And yesterday?
4 million?
And yesterday?
$1 billion.
Yeah.
And finally, and most importantly, the broker is going to lure you with high leverage and tell you, yeah, I know, okay, right? The Forex market, it's, small return, 0.1%, but bro, this is the way he's going to talk to you or entice you, even with more sophisticated marketing, but the underlying remain the same. If I'm giving you leverage 100 times, right? So then suddenly the 0.1% become 10%. But what it doesn't tell you is that number one, it's riba, so it's haram. Let's be clear. So you'll be, even if it's halal to actually buy spot, right? And actually buy and change dollars for euro or for British pound or for whatever currency. But using the instruments that they are providing on their platform and on top of it, supplementing it with leverage makes it 100% haram. And on the other hand, well, there's going to be stop loss. And basically, you are not going to be able to manage your account the way you want, because when you're going to reach a certain level of underperformance, negative performance, even if it's very, very, very small, but it's going to stop you out and it's going to sell your position. And the broker is going to aggregate all the data and all the orders and all the stats of all the retail traders, and he's going to know exactly what he needs to do. He needs what position he has to take for him to regularly, consistently, and massively against you over the long term. So no Muslim has any business venturing into the current state of the Forex market.